My name is Karen Hammersley with Montigo Fireplaces. I'm the Vice President of the Custom Division. And what I have behind me is a custom C620 STIO that stands for See-Through Indoor Outdoor. This unit is intended to be built into an exterior wall. This would be the interior face of the unit, which is going to stay totally cool, not emit any heat off it whatsoever. Ideally in a commercial type setting, maybe a clubhouse, or an area where you have a patio or seating area on the outside. We're going to stay totally cool on the inside and have some heat exhausting on the exterior side. So now we're on the exterior side of this same unit. We're going to be drawing our intake air in down below the frame of the unit. We're going to circle that air through and feed the combustion and cooling of the glass, and then we're going to exhaust it out here. So you're going to get some nice warm air onto your outside face of the unit, but we're still going to keep the glass nice and cool, no liability. Check it out on our website on the custom side of Montigo.com.
Hi, I'm Costelazos. I'm the National Sales Manager for Montigo for the standard products. Behind me is our newest linear fireplace that we're releasing. It's the Distinction. It's a 63-inch fireplace, so 50,000 BTUs. So it does put out a lot of heat, but has the capability of turning down by 50%. It's a fully loaded fireplace. It comes with LED lights, it comes with glass reflective panels, it comes with fans and full function remote control. And also you can distribute the heat into other rooms. So this is something we're really excited about as it's unique to us, and we're looking forward to its release.
Hi, my name is Karen Hammersley with the Custom Division of Montigo Fireplaces. I'm standing in front of our four-sided unit. This is a 4x4 traditional style unit, but we can make this unit as narrow as 30 inches on one side and as long as 15 feet on the long side. You can get this unit as it is with a traditional log set. This is also available in a linear contemporary burner. You can look at these options and all of the other options for our custom fireplaces at Montigo.com.
My name is Jonathan Burke, and I want to welcome you to the International Builders Show here in Orlando, Florida. I'm with Montigo Canadian Heating Products, and we're here displaying some of our custom and residential fireplaces. In the 1970s, Montigo was founded on this principle that wood is no longer necessarily the only way to generate fire, and natural gas, propane, other fuels were becoming another heating source, but also a great way to produce a beautiful fire. A fireplace for many people is not just a heating appliance or like a washer dryer. It's something that is the centerpiece of a room. It anchors a room. It's a thing that people are drawn to in a room.
The quality Montigo product is the best in the industry. Montigo brand has been in business for 40 years. We make custom products that no other competitor can do. Any size, any space, any specification, our engineers make it work, and we're the only people in the industry that can do that.
We continue to be focused mostly on building things by hand. We're predominantly a labor-intensive fabrication shop, and we don't do things in very, very high volumes. We focus on quality. We focus on the integrity and beauty of the flame, because that's what people ultimately are buying.
The quality of the product is definitely our number one priority. Everything is really handmade. A lot of care and attention goes into it, and our customers, if you speak to any of our customers, that's the first thing they talk about is the quality of our product and how you put it in and you forget about it. You don't have any issues with it. We really take a lot of pride in that.
We build products that we're very, very proud of, and we've built a great reputation, so I would say our culture is built on pride of the product and the company.
I would say the culture of Montigo is a get-her-done type culture, where no project is too complicated, no ask is too absurd or extreme.
What separates Montigo from the competition is that we never say no. No job's too big or small. We cover both heavy residential units in mass quantity, as well as very specific custom units in Marriott and other very, very high-class hotels.
Like a Swiss watch, it's truly the best product I've seen in our industry.
We do everything we can and go the extra mile to make sure that at the end of the day, the fireplace looks fantastic and delivers the goods.
Hi, my name is Karen Hammersley with the Custom Division of Montigo Fireplaces. I'm standing here in front of our C620 PFC. That's a peninsula style unit with glass on 3 sides. This unit's available from 3 feet in length all the way to 9 feet in length. It comes with our Power Cool Pack glass, which keeps it cool to the touch so that there's no liability attached. Please check out our Peninsula and all of our other custom units at Montigo.com. Hi, my name is Karen Hammersley from the Custom Division of Montigo Fireplaces. I'm standing in front of our newest custom offering, the Prodigy Series. This is an 8-foot unit, but we offer this unit in 3 to 8 foot lengths in 1 foot increments. It's also available in this height as shown at 12 inches all the way up to 60 inches. Please check out our Prodigy Series at Montigo.com.